Hi everybody, this is Joanna, and today I'm going to show you how to get watercolor effects with a fountain pen and sketching. So this is the drawing that I did, and I'll go ahead and show you how I did that. Now, what I'm reviewing is, this is a Lamy Safari fountain pen, and I actually got a holiday gift set, and it comes with 7 colors of ink and a converter. And the pen has a really nice clip. It's a plastic pen. It has a really nice clip on it. It's got a really nice nib, and the nibs come in medium fine or extra fine. And I'll go ahead and show you. This one has a cartridge. I have a turquoise ink cartridge in it right now. But it does come with the converter, which you can use bottled ink. So it does come with 7 colors of ink, and the different colors of ink are green, blue, black, violet, turquoise, blue, red, and black. So that gives you a really good opportunity to try the different colored inks to see what you like. You also get the little Lamy warranty with this gift set. Okay, now I'll go ahead and show you a sketching sample and a writing sample. So I've been practicing sketching sailboats. So I'm going to go ahead and do a sailboat for you. Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and take my Pentel water brush. And I just like to check it to make sure it doesn't have too much water. You can dab it on a paper towel. And you go ahead and go over the lines, and it makes a beautiful watercolor effect. So, you know, this makes it fun. You can use your fountain pens for sketching and or writing in your journal. If you're writing in your journal, it doesn't make any difference if the ink is water soluble or not. But you can add water if you want to get the watercolor effect on your sketches. Now, I'll go ahead and do a writing sample for you. And this writes really beautifully. So this is a Lamy Safari, pen. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching, and have a great art day. And if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks.